Here is an easy cure for cracked heels, fungal infections and calluses. By soaking your feet in Listerine mouthwash, it may sound crazy, but there are plenty of people that claim it works. This life hack will have you wondering why you've not tried it before. There are loads of creams and ointments on the market that claim to heal cracked heels and fungal infections, but they can be extremely expensive. This homemade remedy is easy and cheap and definitely worth trying out if you have cracked heels and fungal infected nails. The worst that can happen is that you will end up with clean and minty flavoured feet. It's definitely best to use Listerine Healthy White because the blue version may stain your feet. This is a very simple DIY remedy, and these two simple ingredients can help you achieve smooth and soft heels that you want. So to get this Listerine foot soak recipe, you're going to need distilled white vinegar, or you can use apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, that's fine. You're going to need Listerine Healthy White, and it's optional, but you can use 2 or 3 tablespoons of honey. Both honey and vinegar increase the antiseptic benefits of Listerine and can help soothe your sensitive skin. You may already have these 3 products in your home anyway. So to specifically look at cracked heels, does it make them better? Well, I'm an avid dog walker, and in the winter months my heels always get cracked and become sore. So I did try it, and I'm not saying it's a wonder cure, but it definitely made a difference. My heels looked smoother and there was an improvement in the rough texture of the skin. However, the whole process does require a good amount of scrubbing. So how do you use Listerine foot wash? Well, you're going to need to mix this ratio: 1 part of mouthwash, 1 part of vinegar and 2 parts of warm water together in a big bowl big enough to put your feet in and submerge them. So how long do you soak? Well, let your feet soak for a good 10 to 15 minutes in the Listerine foot bath mixture. Then use a pumice stone, foot file or a good sponge to gently rub off all the soft dead skin. When I soaked my feet in it, I was able to pull off quite a large amount of dry skin. Whilst I didn't get it all off, I probably only needed a few more good soaks and my feet would have improved even more. Also, when you combine Listerine Healthy White with vinegar, you'll probably see a reaction of some bubbles, but don't worry, that's normal. If you desire, you can follow up with a foot or body scrub for even better results. Then lotion up and check out the results. If you're wondering if this home remedy can treat fungal foot infection as well, then you may be in for a pleasant surprise. The essential oils in Listerine are natural antifungal, so may treat mild to moderate cases of toenail fungus in athlete's foot. So there's no harm in trying Listerine, but if the symptoms do not go away, it's safer to just consult your doctor. So all I can say is try it yourself, and this Listerine will work magic for you. If you would like to read my full free guide on how to use Listerine as a foot soak, then click here. If you've liked this video, then please give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And finally, click here if you want to see this amazing popular video on how to use Vicks Vapor Rub for fungal infections on the foot. Thanks for watching and bye for now.